Welcome to LearnLab. In this video, I'll show you how to get the most out of Colab. Colab is an interactive presentation tool, which enables you to engage and include your entire class, not just the vocal few. Invite your participants with a code and engage them with features like word cloud, open question, and many more. Colab also include powerful AI features, generating summaries and action points based on input from your participants. But we will get back to this. On the Collab start page, you can view all of your Collab presentations. Click on the three dots to edit, share, or invite a co-author. Let's create a presentation. You can either start from scratch or import a PowerPoint presentation. You can edit each element in the uploaded presentation as if you were still in PowerPoint. On the right-hand side, you can view all of the steps in the presentation. Click this button to add a new step, or click between the steps, add it there. Let's take a look at the different steps. The content step is similar to Storylab pages or a slide in PowerPoint. If you upload a PowerPoint, all the slides will be uploaded as content steps. You can add different elements from the left side menu. Once you've added an element, you can edit it and customize it seamlessly in the canvas. The multiple choice step lets you ask your participant questions and provide them with answer options. Customize settings in the Edit tab. The Open Question step allows your participants to respond to your questions. All responses are displayed in real time, facilitating deeper collaboration and discussion. Add sub-questions by clicking this toggle. The Survey step lets you conduct real-time surveys with your participants. Fill out your survey questions and add answer choices. Let's move on to the Quiz step. Add any number of questions by clicking here. You can add an image for each question. Remember to select which answers are correct by checking off the circle. You can mark multiple answers as correct. In the Collect step, your participants can hand in their Story Labs, Idea Labs, and Media Labs. Make sure that the lab type you want your participants to submit are checked. The Handout step lets you upload and distribute Story Labs, Idea Labs, and Media Labs to your participants. There are additional options in the hamburger menu. You can add an assessment survey that will be displayed at the end of the presentation session. Now let's start the session. You can give the session a name, making it easier to find reports on participants at both a session and individual level. Remember, if you want to see which participants answered what, they need to be logged in. You can ensure this by toggling the option here. Your participants can join the session by going to learnlab.net and entering the session code, or by scanning the QR code. By clicking on the hamburger menu, you can open the second screen. This is ideal if you're presenting on a monitor or projector. The second screen will open a new tab in your browser that you can move around. Here you can view your notes on different steps, navigate between steps, and most importantly, use Learning AI. I will show you how this works when we get some participant responses. Now let's see how participants' responses are displayed in real time. To view answers, click on Show Results. You can click this at any time. Going to the Open Question step, let's take a look at the AI features you can use on the second screen. The AI reads all the responses and can provide a summary, highlights, reflectional questions, or action points. After generating these, you can turn the summary or highlight into a new step, or you can make the reflective questions or action points into a new open question step that your participants can respond to. You can also edit the suggestions before making it into a new open question step. Here you can see the new step the AI created. Once you're done with the presentation, you can view the session report by clicking here. Here you can either view reports on the whole session or on individual participants. Click through the steps to see the different answers. You can also ask our AI Learny to generate a report for all participants or for just one. Now that you know how to use Colab, we hope this helps you and your participants with important learning. Visit learnlab.net and get started today.